Welcome back. It's time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
In the region, Barbados Prime Minister Mia Mottley was sworn in for a third term during a brief ceremony at State House. Mottley won a historic third election victory in Wednesday's polls, with her Barbados Labour Party BLP sweeping all seats in the House of Assembly. The party secured all 30 seats for the third time, unseating opposition leader Ralph Thorne, who had run for the BLP in the last campaign. The election pitted Mottley's more global-facing approach against the opposition's focus on domestic issues. She's the second leader in Barbados history to serve more than 2 consecutive terms. And 2 immigration agents may have made untruthful statements in a sworn testimony about the shooting of a migrant in Minneapolis last month. That, according to Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE. ICE Acting Director Todd Lyons said the 2 officers who have not been named were immediately placed on administrative leave pending an internal investigation. A judge granted a request to drop charges against 2 men who were accused of attacking the officers. The Department of Homeland Security initially said a federal officer shot a man in the leg after being attacked with a shovel and a broom handle by 3 migrants on January 14. Lyons said the 2 officers appeared to have provided inaccurate testimonies and that the U.S. Attorney's Office was actively investigating the matter. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinsky Robinson.